Nanghihinayang.
Oh, sige. Nanghihinayang.
Tapos araw-gabi.
Hoy, pasensya na po sa mga naghihintay dyan.
Saglit lang kasi gabi na. Gabi na kay Miss Emyot.
Nanghihinayang. Sige, try nga natin.
Hello, Ate Mian.
Hello, RR. Michael. Nudge. Oy, Jen, ta fresh. Oo, sige. Okay, nanghihinayang. Itong asan naman baba? Ito, try natin ito.
Umaga pa naman sa amin.
Ay, oo nga. Ito, mag-alas 9. Try natin. Na amin. Hey, sound. Ano yan? Hindi ko pala alam ng Andalite Love, ha? Hindi ko yung iba yung
Global
version.
Karaoke TV.
Hindi ko pala alam yun. Ito pala, iba yung version ng kanina eh. Nanghihinayang. Try natin kung kaya natin. Inaamin ko, nagkamali ako. Oy, nagkamali ako. Inaamin ko, nasaktan ng puso mo. Hiniwan kang walang dahilan, sumama sa iba, hindi man lang ako nagpaalam, di man lang nagpaalam. Nabalitaan ko, lagi ka raw tulala. Dinibdib mo aking pagkawala. Lagi ka raw umiiyak, lagi mo raw akong hinahanap. Di ka pa rin nagbabago, mahal mo pa rin ako. Oh, nanghihinayang ang puso ko. Sa piling ko'y lumuha ka lang, nasaktan lamang kita. Hindi na sana iniwan pa. Iniwan kang nag-iisa at nagdurusa. Ako sana'y patawarin na. Kung sinong nagmahal sa'yo, siya naman iniwan mo. Dapat maging ano ka na lang. Anong tawag doon? Anong tawag dati de? Nabalitaan ko, lagi ka raw tulala. Maging satisfied ka na lang sana. No? Dinibdib mo aking pagkawala. Lagi ka raw umiiyak, palagi mo raw akong hinahanap. Di ka pa rin nagbabago, mahal mo pa rin ako. Oh, nanghihinayang ang puso ko. Sa piling ko'y lumuha ka lang, nasaktan lamang kita. Hindi na sana iniwan pa. Iniwan kang nag-iisa at nagdurusa. Ako ako sana'y patawarin na. Nagsisisi ka na tuloy, iniwan mo kasi. Hindi siya satisfied, humanap siya
Laging
ng iba.
nasa huli ang pagsisisi
Kaya nga.
ng tao.
Nanghihinayang ang puso ko. Sa piling ko'y lumuha ka lang. Nasaktan lamang kita. Hindi na sana iniwan pa. Iniwan kang nag-iisa at nagdurusa. Ako sana'y patawarin na. Oh, bumalik na lang siya. Bumalik siya doon. Ay.
Pero alam mo, Miss Emiat, yung mga Tagalog song, magaganda talaga. Kaso, laging it's depicted to lovers. Buti na lang, naswertehan ko naman kasi hindi pa naman ako nakaranas ng yung heartache from someone that you got intimate with. Pero sa mga kaibigan, ilang beses na.
Oh. Ayan.
Mas nakakahinayang kasi kaibigan eh.
Oh, what a good question. Ano to? Magpaubayan na lang ako. Oh. Paubaya ko na lang.
Yes, kasi
Paubaya.
in life, you shouldn't have any regrets in life.
Yeah.
Kasi lahat ng mga pagdadaanan niyo po, it's all about experiences and just learn from it. Pero don't ever regret kasi kasama na dyan yung emotions mo. Dapat hindi mo nire-regret ang emotions na binigay mo sa tao. Hayaan mong silang mag-regret kasi they didn't value your friendship.
Correct. That's true.
Tsaka my God, ang daming fishes sa ocean. Magbingwit na lang kayo. Marami dyan.
I know, right, ate? Oh.
Yeah. Alam mo, kung ako, kunwari, namatay asawa ko or naghiwalay kami, ako, hindi na talaga ako mag-aano. Hindi na ako, I'm not gonna commit to anybody. It's gonna be all booty calls.
Booty calls.
Yes! Mga
Yes.
tipong,
Oh,
"Hoy,
happy-go-lucky na lang, no?
Yeah, I feel like having sex. Come on over, then leave.
But what if my person different from everyone, and then you get attached to him, and then you felt something. Oh, paano yan? Te.
See, that's the part na kunwari married ako, dapat hindi ka naghahanap. Although it is it's undeniably kasi pwedeng mangyari talaga na you would fall for someone, especially if you talk to them, you have that mutual thing. Pero nasa tao na yun, you have to stop yourself because you're married. Ngayon, kung single ka naman, puro ka booty call, tas biglang merong isang tao na medyo napamahal na sa'yo, maybe take a risk. Taking risks is always good.
That's
Parang
true.
mas masarap na nagmahal kahit nasaktan ka, at least naranasan mong magmahal.
Correct. O, diba? Okay.
Yeah.
Masarap
At dahil
magmahal.
dyan,
At
kakanta
dahil
si
dyan.
Miss Emiat ng araw-gabi.
Uy, ang dami mong viewers, te. Gusto nila ng
Ano?
mga love story, no?
Kasi
Oh, diba?
hindi, tsaka very, very, I'm very thankful talaga kasi yung mga pupunta sa akin, they're very loyal. They've always been here. Whether nagpapalaro ako o hindi, they've been there. So they're very close to my heart. Kaya nang sabi ko nga kahapon, I sang this song, Kung Kailangan Mo Ko. Sabi ko, hindi man tayo friends sa yung mga friends ko dyan, na friends ko sa Messenger, if there's anything, message nyo sila, paparating sa akin. And that's the only way na Not unless you wanna follow me, it's Love Brisson sa FB. Tapos sa IG po, it's Unpredictable Love. Diba? Unpredictable. Nag-log si Miss Emya to ako yung nagla-log. Ay, hindi.
Ako?
Ayan. Last request ko, araw-gabi.
How's how if your husband doesn't give you attention but he's not cheating on you? What you gonna do as a woman? Wala, okay na. Ate Love, okay lang. Lag ba?
Na-connect na naman sa TV ko po.
Oo. Si Ate Love, magkasagutan niya as a wife. Ayan. Wala kang mic, Ate Love.
How how if your husband doesn't give you attention but he's not cheating on you, what you gonna do as a woman? You know what? I've been married for like 27 years. I've only had 3 men in my life and they're all long-term relationship. The one thing kasi kung minsan sa mga babae, and I've done a thesis on this before, and kasi pagka mag-boyfriend pa lang kayo, syempre laging masaya, may ginagawa kayo. Once you're married, it's the first 2 years of marriage, it's blissful. Tapos ang nagiging problema kasi, once you have kids, yung you're focused na kasi sa mga kids. And napapabayaan niyo yung asawa niyo kung minsan. That's not how it should be. You should balance yourself pa rin. Make it exciting. Ngayon, kung walang attention yung asawa, siguro dahil pagod, you make the effort na make it exciting. To be honest with you, hindi na lately. Kasi, we're at an age na by appointment na kami ng asawa ko. Pero before, like, do role plays. Pwede kayong lumabas, like, like, you don't know each other, you meet at a hotel. Diyos ko, napahamak ako dyan, Miss Emmett talaga. Sa first husband ko, punta kami sa hotel. Kunwari, hindi kami magkakilala, pero nag-book na kami. You're all dressed up, you're at the bar, tas nandyan siya. Ay, Diyos ko, napagkamalan pa kaming soliciting daw. Yung mga ganun bagay, you have to make an effort. Kasi, syempre, lalo na if you're a full-time wife and your husband is the one working, tapos syempre, yung trabaho mo sa bahay, hindi madali. Pero, find it. Kung minsan, fake it till you make it. Kahit hindi ka nag-enjoy sa sex, mag-moan ka lang, pasahin mo lang yung husband mo. But you have to make it special. O kaya gawin mo yung role-playing. One day, umuwi yung asawa mo, then your husband sees you in a maid's, outfit. And then, yun lang. You make it exciting talaga. Kasi kung minsan napapabayaan natin because all our focus goes on to the kids. That's not how it should be. Always remember, your husband is your partner for life, in a lifetime. Your kids, yes, kailangan nila ng taking care. But once they reach 18, they have their own life. And you're still stuck with your husband. So make an effort.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Kasi kahit saan mo naman tignan, at sa umpisa kasi ng relationship, it's always the man that actually takes the effort and everything because syempre sinusuyo si girl. Pero once you're married, there is no such thing as, ay, dapat si lalaki magsuyo sa akin. No.
It's two
It's a
ways.
partnership. And you have to know your husband. At saka ito pa gagawin nyo. Don't ever change your better half. Kung minahal mo sila na ganun na sila, you included their flaws. Do not ever ask your husband to change to satisfy you. Allow them to change because they want to for you. You never ask. Kasi pag nag-away kayo, ibabalik yan sa inyo. Diba, Miss Emmett? I mean, you're
That's
married to a foreigner too. So it's
Yeah.
like it's a give and take. But
Yep.
honestly though, all the effort comes from the woman.
Yeah, we women, tayo ang magtrabaho more than them, especially sa foreigner na husband. Yeah, it's, yeah, glue in the family.
Yeah,
Kasi
at
pag
saka
mag-give up ang girl sa relationship, wala.
wala na, tapos na basically pag
Tapos
ang
na.
girl ang nag-give up.
Yes, it's really true.
Yeah. At
Eh,
saka
buti na
alam nyo
lang,
kasi,
Filipina tayo, so we are martyr. And
oh no.
mahaba yung pasensya.
Yeah,
Oh.
pero ano ha, tsaka bawas-bawasan yung pagnanag kung na-late yung asawa nyo sa pag-uwi or whatever. Wag, deadbahin nyo na lang kasi it's, to be honest with you, the 27 years that I've been married with Walter, we've never had an argument na hindi namin sinolve muna bago matulog. We always make sure that before we go to bed, everything is fine. Except one time lang, I did not talk to him. I cook, but I never asked him to come eat. I just tell the kids, okay, go ahead, call your dad. 5 days na hindi ko siya kinausap. Sa salas talaga ako natulog. That was one time only dahil pa sa katigasan ng ulo ko. Pero at the end of the day, you have to go to bed making sure that, you know, everything is good. You never let it sit.
We're
And
the structure, you're the adhesive that makes the home stand. Oh,
ay,
that's
talaga
nice,
naman si
Lauren.
Pinsan.
Wow.
No,
Oh,
but
ang
yeah,
ganda naman ng story tonight. Oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng
yeah,
conversation. It's
exactly.
nice. Anyway,
Real.
sige, let's move
Ayan,
on.
araw
Let's move on.
gabi.
Thank you, Ate Love, ha, na and thank you sa news. Kahit masakit yung news na sinabi mo kanina, but I I still believe na it will be open back again. No?
Yeah, it will. You know how it is over here in the States. It's like,
Meron, send mo nga sa akin, Nudge.
yeah, kaya nga sabi nila the 22nd, by the 23rd, it goes dark, even in the US. Kasi, hindi rin kami basta-basta makakapasok. You have to actually log in back, tapos you have to accept all the terms and conditions. Pero your name, everything, it's still there. I think your friends list would still be there. Your level will still be there, but you can't see them anymore. They can't see you anymore.
So all yung friends natin from the Philippines, yung mga followers, they will still be there.